Beginner woodworking ideas that anyone can build at home. Woodworking is one of those timeless crafts that offer not only creativity, but also practicality. Whether you're looking to make something useful for your home, or simply want to experience the joy of creating with your hands, woodworking provides the perfect outlet. Hello dear friends. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. Today we will show you the collection of beginner woodworking ideas that anyone can build at home. Stick around, because these ideas aren't just clever, they are the perfect blend of creativity, craftsmanship, and eco-conscious living. At Kuki Decor, we are passionate about bringing you creative wood furniture ideas, nature-inspired design tips, DIY projects, rustic textures, minimalist shapes, and eco-friendly furniture ideas that tell a story. This is your place for inspiration. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. For beginners, it may seem intimidating at first, full of complex tools and techniques. But the truth is, many beautiful and functional wood projects are surprisingly easy to make. With a few basic tools, some affordable materials, and a little patience, you can start building right at home, no workshop required. The beauty of beginner woodworking lies in its simplicity. You don't need a massive collection of tools or years of experience to get started. In fact, some of the most satisfying woodworking projects require only the essentials: a saw, a drill, some wood glue, a bit of sandpaper, and a creative mindset. If you have access to softwood like pine, cedar, or even reclaimed pallet wood, you already have the raw materials needed to bring your ideas to life. And unlike many other crafts, woodworking produces tangible results, items you can touch, use, gift, or proudly display in your home. What makes woodworking so appealing for beginners is that every project teaches a new skill, builds confidence, and opens doors to more advanced creations. Something as simple as building a small wall shelf can help you learn measuring and leveling. Making a basic phone stand or key holder helps you understand cutting angles and attaching small parts with precision. Each piece you craft introduces you to a new aspect of woodworking, all while giving you something unique and functional that reflects your personal style. At home, you can transform an empty wall or a cluttered entryway with beginner-friendly projects that require minimal effort but deliver maximum impact. Imagine crafting a rustic wooden shelf that instantly brings warmth and depth to your living space. Or picture a handcrafted planter box that adds a fresh burst of greenery to your kitchen or balcony. These projects don't just serve a purpose, they also give your space a handmade, personal feel that store-bought decor can't match. For many new woodworkers, one of the first things they make is a small wooden organizer or stand. It could be a phone dock for the desk, a remote control holder for the coffee table, or a simple jewelry tray for the bedroom. These types of projects are perfect for beginners because they are quick to complete, don't require large cuts, and allow room for personalization. You can stain the wood in rich tones, paint it with fun patterns, or even try out wood burning for custom lettering or decoration. As your confidence grows, you might find yourself tackling slightly larger, but still beginner-friendly items like a compact bench, a coat rack, or a simple side table. These pieces introduce more skills such as assembling with screws or dowels and learning how to keep pieces square and sturdy. But even at this level, you don't need to invest in expensive equipment. Many DIYers start out with a hand saw, a drill or driver combo, and a few clamps, tools that fit comfortably in a corner of your garage or even a small apartment. What's especially satisfying about woodworking at home is that it teaches patience, focus, and attention to detail. It's not just about cutting and gluing, it's about planning, measuring twice before cutting once, sanding for a smooth finish, and applying a protective coat that will make your piece last for years. These are the kinds of habits that carry over into other areas of life, making woodworking not only a creative outlet, but also a personal development tool. Another bonus of beginner woodworking is its accessibility. You don't need to go far or spend a lot to start. Most hardware stores carry basic planks and boards, while local lumberyards or construction sites often have scrap wood available for free or very cheap. You can even repurpose old furniture or wooden pallets for a more eco-friendly approach. This makes it possible to build stylish and useful pieces on a tight budget, especially if you're trying to decorate your home without breaking the bank. There's also something deeply rewarding about using something you've built with your own hands. Whether it's hanging your handmade key rack by the door or resting your morning coffee on a DIY coaster set, these small items carry a sense of pride and personal value. They become conversation starters when guests visit and thoughtful gifts when shared with friends or family. Even if you're just doing it for yourself, each finished project becomes a reminder of what you're capable of, no matter how new you are to the craft. In the age of digital overload, woodworking offers a break from screens and a chance to work with something real. The smell of freshly cut pine, the texture of a sanded surface, the quiet rhythm of hammering or drilling, it's a sensory experience that draws you into the moment. Many beginners find it meditative and therapeutic, turning to woodworking as a hobby that relieves stress and fosters mindfulness. So if you've ever thought, "I'd love to try woodworking, but I don't know where to start," the answer is simple: start small, start today, and start at home. You don't need a fancy workshop or years of training. All you need is the willingness to try, a few basic tools, and a piece of wood waiting to be transformed. Your first project doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, the imperfections are what make it truly yours. Each knot, each uneven edge, each lesson learned from a small mistake, they all become part of the journey. Beginner woodworking is not just about building things, it's about building skills, confidence, and creativity. And the best part? Anyone can do it. So roll up your sleeves, gather your tools, and get ready to create something amazing, right in the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching. So there you have it. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative woodworking inspiration. Got a favorite project or your own tip? Drop it in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and give that old wood a brand new story.